Ever wondered how some businesses manage to sound so professional, even when they're small? Like you call and it's not just someone's cell phone ringing, but a proper, "Thank you for calling company name. How may I direct your call?" type of thing. It's seamless, right? Like they've got a whole team of operators. But what if I told you sometimes it's just a smart system, a digital brain that makes it all happen? Specifically, an 8x8 phone system. Yeah, 8x8. Sounds like a robot, doesn't it? But trust me, it's way more helpful and way less robotic. See, we live in a world where communication is king. And for businesses, especially those wanting to grow, how you handle calls can make or break you. Think about it. A customer calls, gets put on hold forever, or gets transferred to the wrong department 3 times. They're not going to be happy. And in today's world, unhappy customers don't just complain to their friends, they tweet, they post, they review. And suddenly, your reputation is taking a hit. But what if, instead, every call was answered promptly, professionally, and routed to the right person every single time? What if you could manage all your calls, voicemails, even video conferencing from one place, no matter where your team is located? That's where 8x8 comes in. Now let's break this down. What exactly is an 8x8 phone system? Well, at its core, 8x8 is a cloud-based communication platform. That's a fancy way of saying it's a phone system that lives on the internet, not in some dusty server room in your office. This means no expensive hardware to buy, no bulky phone lines to install, and no worrying about maintaining it all yourself. 8x8 handles all of that. Think of it like this: your traditional phone system is like a landline, stuck in one place, limited by physical wires. An 8x8 system is like a smartphone, portable, flexible, and packed with features you never even knew you needed. So what are these features? Let's dive in. First, and most importantly, it's a robust phone system. You get all the standard stuff: call forwarding, voicemail, call waiting, caller ID, all of that. But it's also got a whole lot more. One of the key things is auto attendant. You know that voice that answers when you call a big company? That's an auto attendant. It guides callers to the right department or person, saving you time and ensuring everyone gets to the right place. With 8x8, you can customize your auto attendant, record professional greetings, and create complex call routing rules. Then there's call queuing. Imagine you're a busy customer service team. Instead of callers getting a busy signal, they're placed in a queue, and they hear a message like, "Your call is important to us. Please hold." You can even play music or promotional messages while they wait. This reduces frustration and ensures you don't miss any calls. And because it's cloud-based, 8x8 is incredibly flexible. You can use it on your desk phone, your computer, your smartphone, even your tablet. It's all connected. So, whether you're in the office, working from home, or on the road, you can stay connected. But it's not just about phone calls. 8x8 also offers video conferencing. You can host virtual meetings, webinars, and presentations, all from the same platform. This is huge for collaboration, especially in today's remote work environment. You can see your team, share your screen, and record meetings for later viewing. And then there's the messaging. Instant messaging, SMS, team chat. It's all integrated. You can communicate with your team and your customers in whatever way works best. This unified communication approach can save you a ton of time and improve your overall productivity. Let's talk about scalability. You start with a few employees and you grow. With a traditional phone system, you'd have to buy more hardware, install more lines, the whole 9 yards. With 8x8, you simply add more users to your account. It scales with you, no problem. And what about analytics? 8x8 provides detailed reports on call volume, call duration, wait times, and more. This data can help you identify bottlenecks, improve your customer service, and make informed decisions about your business. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it secure? Absolutely. 8x8 takes security seriously. They use encryption, firewalls, and other security measures to protect your data and your calls. They also comply with industry regulations like HIPAA and PCI DSS, so you know your information is safe. So who's 8x8 for? Well, it's for any business that wants to improve its communication. Small businesses, medium-sized businesses, even large enterprises can benefit from 8x8. It's particularly useful for businesses with remote teams, multiple locations, or high call volumes. Let's imagine a scenario. You're a small e-commerce business. You get a lot of customer calls and you want to make sure you're providing excellent service. With 8x8, you can set up an auto attendant to route calls to the right department, use call queuing to manage high call volumes, and even integrate your phone system with your CRM to provide personalized service. Or maybe you're a real estate agency with agents who are always on the go. With 8x8, your agents can use their smartphones to make and receive calls, access voicemails, and participate in video conferences, all while on the road. Or perhaps you're a growing software company. With 8x8, your remote team can stay connected through video conferencing, instant messaging, and team chat. You can even use the analytics to track call volume and identify areas for improvement. The point is, 8x8 is incredibly versatile. It can be tailored to meet the specific needs of your business, no matter what industry you're in. Now, some people might say, but isn't this all complicated? And yes, there are a lot of features, but 8x8 is designed to be user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and there's plenty of online help and support available. Plus, you can often find a good amount of tutorials and guides online like this one to help you get the most out of your system. And let's not forget the cost. While it might seem like a lot to invest in a cloud-based phone system, it can actually save you money in the long run. You're eliminating the need for expensive hardware, maintenance, and phone lines. Plus, you're improving your productivity and customer service, which can lead to increased sales and revenue. In essence, an 8x8 phone system is more than just a phone system. It's a comprehensive communication platform that can help you streamline your operations, improve your customer service, and grow your business. It's about taking your communication to the next level and doing it in a way that's efficient, scalable, and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.